Okay guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to translate when you're browsing in a language on your Firefox to another language. Let's get started. What you need to do is just open up the app. And I'm going to go and search for something. I'm going to search on this. Now if you want to change this language on this what you're searching, you want to translate it. You want to translate it to another language. What you need to do is click on these your three dots, then click on translate page. Then you're going to choose from English to which page. Now I want to change it to Estonia. You can say click on translate and it's going to translate the page for you very easily. So let's wait for it. You can see it's been translating. It's been translating. You can see it's been translating. So let's wait for it. So you can translate any of the search bar to another language very easily. And I'm going to show you now. You can see it has successfully translated to another language very easily. So you can search for anything you're looking for here very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.